don't judge my hair nor my face because I didn't come for that. I came to do these eyes, just use this palette to try out that palette. I don't have the palette with me, but I believe it is a really great quality palette, and Boxycharm really did their job this month. We got brushes, we got lashes, we got a palette, we got lipstick or lip stain, eyeliner. Like, they gave us a whole kit for real, like a kit that you can take and go. So this is the look that I came up with. If you guys want to get this look, then please stay tuned and watch how I created this eyeshadow look. Again, this is not a full face tutorial. I just did my eyes, eyeshadow, and that was it. No brows, no lashes, no face, no blush, no none of that. Just the shadow, okay? Alright guys, have a good one. Bye.